My task overview. Welcome to StaffViz. In this tutorial, we'll guide you step by step on how to manage your tasks using the My Tasks feature. Let's get started. First, from the main navigation menu, click on My Assignments, then select My Tasks. This will open the My Tasks panel, where you can view and manage all tasks assigned to you. In the My Tasks panel, you'll find a comprehensive overview of your current and previous tasks. On the top left side of the panel, use the Projects drop-down menu to select from your assigned projects and easily sort related tasks. This saves you time by showing only relevant tasks. Next, use the search bar to quickly locate a specific task by typing its name or any related keyword. This feature is especially helpful when you have many tasks listed. To the right of the search bar, you'll see an icon to change your task view. Clicking it lets you choose between List View and Card View. When you select List View, you can see that tasks are displayed in rows with details including serial number task, name, project name, status, allocated time, time spent, due date, and the date of your last activity. Alternatively, switch to Card View to see each task represented as a card. You can choose between small or large card options depending on your preference. The cards show essential task information such as task name, project, allocated time, due, date, last activity, time spent, and status. Now, if you want to organize your tasks efficiently, click the icon located right next to the view icon. This opens the sorting options where you can sort by due date to track upcoming deadlines or alphabetically by course or task name. You can also sort by creation date or last updated date to prioritize your work. Next to the sort option is the filter section, which allows you to view all filters applied to the data you are currently viewing on this panel. And that's how you can view and manage your tasks in StaffViz. Stay tuned for more updates on StaffViz.